Let's talk about the best accounting software for food trucks. And if you own a food truck right now, you want to really pay attention to this roundup. So I want to first talk to you about QuickBooks Online, okay? And the cool thing about QuickBooks Online is that it really offers an intuitive interface and user-friendly features. So that if you have the cool thing is that the features are really tailored for small businesses like food trucks. And this tool actually provides comprehensive accounting tools, expense tracking, and invoicing capabilities. So for your food truck, this is actually bonanza because you can control everything from a single dashboard. And we also love the fact that QuickBooks Online allows seamless integration with various third-party apps to enhance functionality. And when we talk about QuickBooks Online, we're talking about a tool that actually comes from the Intuit family. So this is actually a behemoth when it comes to accounting software. So you really can rest assured that you are in good hands there. So your food truck can have a proper financial management because QuickBooks has been in the industry for many years, if not decades. So that's an important element to think about. So what are some of the detriments that you might actually experience if you were to go with QuickBooks Online? You have to factor in potential additional costs for advanced features, which will really impact your overall budget. So if you have a small food truck, you want to start small, but as your food truck is expanding, let's say you have 2, 3, 4, or 20 food trucks, you have a fleet of food trucks, then you might need actually an advanced set of features to control everything, especially from a cash inflow and cash outflow perspective. And you might have to navigate a potentially steeper learning curve if you are new to accounting software in general. So this is something that can really be problematic, especially if your food truck is booming fast, okay, is actually expanding fast. But in terms of the details here, we love the fact that you are able to experience reliable customer support. As I said a little earlier, QuickBooks is in the industry forever, so they have experience here. And you can enjoy an extensive community for assistance. So if you have a problem, you can actually reach out to other food truck owners and really share experiences and share also feedback. So that's really cool. Next, you have Wave. So when we talk about the best accounting software for food trucks, you have Wave. And what we love about Wave is that you are able to actually have a free accounting solution designed for small businesses such as food trucks. And this really makes it ideal, in our view, for budget-conscious food truck owners. So if you're a budget-conscious food truck owner, like you really are saving every penny, every dollar, then you might want to go for Wave to sort of, at least at the beginning. Again, it's all about really making sure that your business is actually in sync with what the software provider is offering. So basically, what we love about Wave is that basically you are able to see things, and Wave does have a paid plan though. So the paid plan will actually help you unlock more functionalities. But to start with, go small, okay? So what are the pros and cons here? The pros first. You're able to streamline expenses effortlessly with cost-effective, entirely free usage for startups. You can navigate accounting tasks seamlessly with a user-friendly interface, boasting essential capabilities. And the cool thing is that you are able to have things done properly. So that's really the bottom line, because the thing is, if you are a food truck owner, you do not want to waste time with accounting matters. You're not an accountant. You don't have a PhD in accounting. You don't have time for that. You have a business to run. So you want basically an interface that allows you to get things done fast. And that's an important element. You want user friendliness. And that's what Wave really offers. So some of the disadvantages, if you were to go with Wave, are that basically you might need to explore advanced features that are limited compared to the premium software. And this tool actually utilizes somewhat limited customer support options. If you're serious about your food truck, especially when it comes to accounting, and you choose Wave, you want to go for the paid plan, because the free plan is kind of free. But listen, you can't have a free plan and expect customer support, can you? So you want to go for you want to pay for stuff, and then you can run your business seamlessly. In terms of Wave, you have a tool that's very strong for basic invoicing and receipt scanning. Next, you have FreshBooks. And first, when we talk about the best accounting software for food trucks, FreshBooks is really cool because it really offers a simplicity and efficiency. So if you are basically, if you are a food truck entrepreneur, you will love a FreshBook, especially when you look at the constellation of features from a UX perspective, from a UI perspective. That's really an important element. Okay, so that's one thing that I want you to think about. So when we talk about the pros and cons of FreshBooks, the pros first, you are able to navigate easily with user-friendly features such as invoicing, expense tracking, and time management. So that's kind of cool because you have the ability to get things done faster, and you are able to actually manage your finances on the go because FreshBooks does have an excellent mobile app. So when you have a food truck, you are essentially on the go all the time. I mean, you don't have an office and really manage you probably have an office, but you are not managing your business from an office. You have a food truck, you basically are in the truck. Or if you have several food trucks, then you're managing things from on the go. But bottom line is having an excellent mobile app, as FreshBooks does have, it really is a biggie. So what about some of the detriments, some of the disadvantages? Well, with FreshBooks, you need to consider the pricing, which may lean towards the higher side for very small businesses. You need to also evaluate potential gaps in advanced accounting features that might exist, especially if your food truck business is growing. If you started with one food truck and now you have a fleet of food trucks, then you might need to have an advanced set of capabilities that you can only find from more advanced accounting software, and you wouldn't find them in FreshBooks. So when you think about FreshBooks, also think about strong customer support and educational resources. So that's kind of cool. So they have educational resources in terms of webinars, in terms of video tutorials, in terms of FAQs, in terms of knowledge base. So that's really cool. Next, I want you to think about Xero. So when we think about the best accounting software for food trucks, we love the fact that Xero really provides a streamlined streamlined platform for food truck owners. And what we love about Xero also is that this software tool is known for its robust accounting capabilities. So you have a tool that has features for small businesses, including food trucks. And that's what we love a lot. And what we love also in terms of this tool, if you will, is that it is scalable. So you're able to scale things. That's really fantastic. And you are able to get things done a lot faster. So that's really cool. And what are the pros and cons of Xero here? The pros first. You are able to unlock advanced accounting features, streamline bank reconciliation, and actually leverage robust reporting tools. So you're able to get things done from a fast perspective. That's really cool. And you also have a tool that integrates seamlessly with a variety of third-party apps so that you can enhance overall functionality. That's something that we like a lot. And so that's really cool, especially when it comes to the capabilities that the software actually has. And that's really cool. Some of the disadvantages include the fact that because Xero can be customized, you might need to navigate the learning curve if you are new to accounting software in general, especially when it comes to niche accounting such as food truck accounting. And this is an important element. And you want to consider pricing, as it may be relatively higher if you have a very small business. If you have a very small business, you need to really consider your needs, your capabilities, but most importantly, your vision for growth. So in terms of general details, we love the fact that Xero actually offers efficient inventory management. So those capabilities, inventory management capabilities, are sort of important for food truck businesses, especially food truck businesses that operates from multiple locations that don't have a static geography. So you're driving from one place to another. You got to have software that allows you to monitor stocks in and stocks out. Let's talk about Zoho Books. So when we talk about the best accounting software for food trucks, we have to mention Zoho Books. And we love the fact that, first of all, right off the bat, I just want to say that Zoho Books is part of the famous, the legendary, if you will, Zoho ecosystem. So they have all kinds of software from project management to customer relationship management. So they're really big. It's even to email marketing with Zoho campaigns. It's just crazy, but they're big. So Zoho Books is just one part of one part of that great conglomerate. And we love the fact that Zoho Books actually stands out for its user-friendly interface and essential accounting features tailored for food truck businesses, and let's just say folks in the restaurant industry in general. Okay, and when you think about Zoho Books, what kinds of pros and cons should you be thinking about? First of all, in terms of pros, you can choose affordable pricing plans tailored for small businesses. You can utilize integrated project management capabilities to track food truck events seamlessly. So that's an important element to think about. And you can also leverage robust scalability, ensuring accommodation for business growth effectively. So that's an important element to think about. What about the cons here? Well, when we think about Zoho Books is kind of cool, but you may actually lack some advanced, this tool may lack some advanced features found only in premium options, and it has limited third-party integrations. Zoho Books integrates really well with other apps within the Zoho family, but outside of that, not really interesting. So in terms of details here, when you think about Zoho Books, I want you to think about your ability to utilize an intuitive platform equipped with features such as invoicing, expense tracking, and project management. You're able to leverage the tool's scalability, making it, when you really think about it, ideal for the dynamic growth trajectory of food truck businesses. So we love that aspect of things a lot. And you also have to note potential limitations in advanced functionalities and integrations to make informed decisions in real time. You also have a Sage Business Cloud Accounting, and here is another wonderful accounting software for food trucks. And what we love about Sage is that this tool is known for its suitability for small businesses, especially in the food industry, in the restaurant industry. So Sage Business Cloud Accounting offers robust tools for food truck owners. Now, it really depends on what kind of needs you have, right? Because you have all kinds of features and you do not want to pay for all the features. And it's one of those things where you want to contact Sage Business Cloud to have a Sage Business Cloud accounting and speak to a rep, a customer, a sales rep, if you will, and have a clear conversation about what you need and how much they will charge you for it. Because the last thing you want is to pay for stuff you're not using. Okay, that will be crazy. It will be a waste of time, money, and resources in general. And so what are the pros and cons of Sage Business Cloud Accounting here? The pros first. This tool boasts a user-friendly interface and offers comprehensive accounting features. It provides good customer support and implements robust security measures. What about the cons here? Basically, this software charges a price that might be relatively higher for very small businesses. Remember, Sage is an ERP primarily. ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. And Sage also offers limited customization options for specific industry needs. So this is an important element to think about. So what are the details here? In general, when we think about this tool, you want to think about a tool that allows you to grow your food truck business seamlessly, so that you can adapt to the expanded needs of your venture. You can streamline your expense tracking process using Sage's efficient tools, ensuring that every financial detail is captured accurately. You can rely on Sage for robust financial reporting, providing you with accurate insights into the fiscal health of your food truck venture. You can navigate Sage's user-friendly interface designed to make accounting tasks intuitive and accessible for food truck entrepreneurs. And you can trust in Sage's commitment to security, safeguarding actually your financial data and giving you peace of mind in managing your food truck's finances. Let's talk about strategizing. So I want to give you an overview of the best accounting software for food trucks so you have a clear idea what I'm talking about. So basically, well, if you are right now on a culinary adventure, you really want to have the best tools, right? So whether you want to go with Sage or QuickBooks or FreshBooks or Xero or Zoho or Wave, you got to have a tool that really fits your specific needs. But are you looking for a tailored approach, so like something customized? Are you looking for something broad? Are you looking for something user-friendly, budget-friendly? Are you looking for something scalable? Are you looking for, so you really got to have a clear idea of what you're looking for. So how do you choose the best accounting software for food trucks? You want to recognize the specific financial requirements unique to your food truck operation. So determine the features essential for seamless financial management, such as let's say invoicing, expense tracking, and reporting. You want to evaluate your financial capacity and establish a budget for accounting software. Ensure the chosen solution aligns with your budget constraints while delivering the necessary features for your business success. You want to embrace simplicity by opting for accounting software with an intuitive and user-friendly interface. You want to streamline your financial tasks with a tool that complements the dynamic nature of your food truck environment. You want to plan for the future by selecting accounting software that can grow with your business. Ensure scalability to accommodate the expansion of your food truck empire without compromising efficiency. You want to streamline your operation by choosing accounting software that seamlessly integrates with other essential tools used in your food truck business, such as, for instance, you have payment processors and inventory management systems. You really want to dive into the software's features by making use of free trials offered by providers. Explore its functionalities firsthand so you have a clear idea what you're getting yourself into. Gain valuable insights from other food truck entrepreneurs. You want to ensure the provider offers a robust customer support services, and you want to prioritize the security of your food truck's financial data. So what are the pros and cons of the best accounting software for food trucks? The pros first. You're able to centralize financial tasks such as invoicing, expense tracking, and payroll management. You can retrieve timely and accurate financial reports, choose from budget-friendly plans. You can adapt to changing business needs. You can reduce manual workload through automation. You can improve the accuracy of financial records and transactions. You can access valuable insights into the business's financial performance, and you can utilize cloud-based solutions for flexibility and accessibility. What about the cons here? Well, you might experience a learning curve during the implementation. Consider that while many solutions offer affordable plans, subscription costs can accumulate over time. Recognize that certain accounting software may have some limitations in terms of customization, but also scalability. Acknowledge that cloud-based accounting software relies on internet connectivity. Evaluate potential data security concerns when storing financial data in the cloud. Face potential challenges in achieving seamless integration. Recognize that some accounting software solutions may offer an abundance of features, some of which you don't need, and also evaluate the varying quality of customer support among different software providers. Let me give you a word of caution here. So, what to watch out for the best accounting software for food trucks? You got to be a little bit sort of focused here. So, be vigilant for any potential hidden costs that might be concealed within seemingly affordable accounting software. You want to evaluate the user friendliness of the software. You want to think ahead and choose accounting software that can grow with your food truck business. Ensure that the selected accounting software seamlessly integrates with other tools and systems used in your food truck business. You want to prioritize robust security features if opting for cloud-based solutions. You want to evaluate the quality of customer support offered by different software providers. Consider your unique business needs and evaluate customization options. You want to look for regular updates from the software providers. You want to also prioritize accounting software with robust data backup and recovery options. And this is kind of important. You want to pay attention to mobile accessibility. And you also want to look for the experiences of other food truck owners, right? You want to check things like user reviews, and testimonials. So that's kind of important to really think about. So overall, when you think about the best accounting software for food trucks, here are the pro tips I want you to pay attention to. Make the most of the free trials offered by those providers. Begin by mapping out your specific business requirements, because you want to know your needs beforehand so that you can you can ensure that the accounting tool you choose aligns precisely with your food truck's financial intricacies. You want to opt for accounting software featuring a user-friendly interface. You want to navigate easily through the platform, saving you time and reducing the learning curve here. So you can focus on your food truck operations, really. That's kind of important. You want to embrace accounting software with real-time reporting capabilities. You want to look for software that seamlessly integrates with other tools your food truck relies on. You want to choose accounting software with the scalability in mind. Prioritize accounting software with robust mobile functionality. Ensure the chosen software employs robust encryption and authentication measures to really safeguard your food truck's financial data. And you want to test the waters with customer support, right? The last thing you want is to have customer support that is really, that's not there when you need them. And you also want to play detective for a hidden cost. That's kind of important. So when we think about this as a whole, the recap is pretty simple. Choosing the right accounting software is really kind of similar to choosing the secret ingredients that elevates your culinary creations. So think about the best tool for you based on your needs. So here is a conclusion to today's conversation. So I spoke to you about the best accounting software for food trucks. I gave you the roundup, the strategizing, and the caution. So I spoke to you about the roundup. The roundup here is pretty simple. QuickBooks Online, Wave, FreshBooks, Xero, Zoho Books, and Sage Business Cloud Accounting. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.